rAVE Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary K.
Hey everyone, this is Gary K, and I am here with Sandra Morello, who is the Senior Sales Engineer at Sharp. We're going to try to convince you to sign up for a webinar. Let me tell you how to sign up for it, because this is going to be a really cool webinar we're going to do with Almo rAVe. So go to almorAVe.com, click on Education, scroll down to the webinar section of the website here, and then you'll be taken to the webinar section of their website, and you'll see that we're doing a session called The Future of UCC Rooms, BYOM, Collaboration Boards, Bars, and Carts. It's a 1-hour CTS approved course. You get CTS I and D as well, RUs, and it's at 2 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, October 6th. Sandra, this is going to be a great session. I want to first off, thanks Sharp for sponsoring it. But a lot of people will be like, why the heck is Sharp sponsoring UC&C session when you don't make Zoom or Teams or all that kind of stuff? So start with that.
Well, okay, so let's back up for a second and let's really talk about what UCC is, because UCC, Unified Communications, has certainly changed. And as a matter of fact, Gary, you're starting to hear more about UCNC, Unified Communications and Collaboration. Mm-hmm. So they really do go hand in hand. Unified Communication at one point just really signified the systems speaking to each other, talking to each other in a sense. And definitely through the pandemic, we went through a nice to have to an absolutely need to have it, right? Yeah. And when you look at unified communications now, it really does encompass the whole entire solution with the collaboration piece. So that can be anywhere from the hardware, the services, team collaboration as a whole, whether you mentioned like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, video conferencing. And of course, it includes interactive displays too, because that's such the heartbeat of collaboration. It's what we all see. It's what we use as the end user, in a sense, whether you're a student in the classroom, whether you're a participant in the conference room. So that's really where a display such as Sharp's displays come into play in that type of solution.
And I'm going to pitch a concept during the webinar that I think the integrators are going to really love. And I think end users will have a new look on rooms, because one of the things I'm going to talk about is the reason why coming out of the pandemic, it's important that we stop designating one part of a room as the front of the room. The front of the room is dead as far as I'm concerned, because I think we need to be more immersive. So what I'm going to pitch is this idea that we put monitors all the way around the room, and I'm going to show you why and how you would do that. And then I'm also going to pitch the concept of, hey, have you thought about the importance of putting in collaboration in your home offices as well, and how inexpensive that is now? It used to be super expensive to do, but now it's very inexpensive to do, and you can do it either through hardware or software. So join me for this webinar join me and Sandra for this webinar next Tuesday, October 6th at 2 p.m. Eastern time, which means, hey, it's 11 o'clock on the West Coast. By then, you guys on the West Coast have gotten your coffee and certainly got into the office. I know that you're a little bit more laid back than us, but I know by 11, you certainly have to be in the office by now.
No excuses, none.
That's right, none at all. So therefore, sign up now. The link is also in the description of this video cast. Go to almorAVe.com, click on Education, click on Webinars, scroll down just 6 inches, maybe 3 inches, something like that. And all of a sudden, you'll see that webinar description appear right here, and you can click on it. And guess what will happen when you click on it? Check this out. Check this out, Sandra. When you click on it, look what happens. It goes to a really simple form that takes no more than 20 seconds to fill out. And boom, you're signed up for the webinar. Sandra, what do you think?
Like 5 seconds.
5 seconds. All right,
seconds. Yeah.
Right, we're going to timer.
Excuses. They're out of excuses. We got to see them all there.
Especially if you've got the browser settings such that it populates everything for you. But Sandra's going to join me next, is it third? What day is the 6th? The 6th is Wednesday, next Wednesday, October 6th. So thanks for joining me, Sandra. We will see you all there. Register now.
Awesome. See you there.
rAVE Radio with rants